When health supply chains work well, nobody notices. When they fail, everyone notices. Because people's lives are at stake. Getting health products to people requires unsung heroes like procurement specialists, warehouse experts, and data analysts. It requires people like you to see where products are blocked. It requires people like us to collaborate to keep products moving. It requires people. This is the story of the Global Family Planning, Visibility and Analytics Network, or VAN, and how it is bringing the necessary people and data together so that we are able to get products where they need to go, impacting lives along the way. Ellis Limani is a wife and mother in Malawi. Soon after giving birth to her first child, she traveled to 4 locations trying to obtain a family planning method. Each time, she walked away empty-handed. Without contraception, she became pregnant with her second child before she was ready. In her own words, she said, "I only had enough money for soap for 1 child. Thinking about food was difficult. Expecting another child meant I would have 2 little children who needed attention." Too many women around the world intimately understand Limani's experience. That's why, several years ago, our community came together with a vision to connect people and data in new ways, to ensure women like Limani can get the right contraception at the right time. We envisioned a world where contraceptive procurers, manufacturers, governments, and others could find the shipment and stock data they needed to prevent stockouts by simply pressing a button. The community entrusted the Reproductive Health Supplies Coalition with the management of this virtual network called the VAN. Today, the VAN helps decision makers track over 7,500 shipments of 71 products across 145 countries. It has helped USAID and UNFPA mobilize more than $70 million in new orders for member countries and supported the expedition of 86 orders to prevent stockouts, overstocks, and expirations. The VAN is now central to contraceptive security efforts in 36 low- and middle-income countries across the world. But how? The VAN is more than a data and technology fix. It is a community of people, a network founded on mutual trust and personal and professional commitment to running an effective family planning supply chain. Today, there are more than 100 institutional members collaborating on the VAN. Their collaboration requires trust and partnership.
Sharing data in order to see better across an ecosystem of supply chain players is not easy. It calls for a network of organizations willing to work together in partnership, sharing information, redefining processes, and implementing mutually beneficial governance. Establishing such partnership is definitely a true challenge, but one worth taking.
It requires belief. VAN members believe in the power of this network to change things for the better.
Je crois fortement au VAN parce que dans le VAN, j'arrive à faire des scénarios qui me permettent de faire une meilleure quantification de mes produits. Là, franchement, je suis très à l'aise avec.
It requires improved performance. For supply chain players, the VAN has improved the speed and efficiency with which they can make potentially life-saving decisions.
Maintenant, avec le VAN, il suffit juste de cliquer pour avoir les informations avec le fournisseur sur les expéditions des produits, les dates prévues, mais également les dates d'arrivée et les quantités exactes à réceptionner.
L'utilisation de la plateforme nous a apporté en termes vraiment de management au niveau interne. Parce qu'aujourd'hui, grâce à ces efforts ou cette quête permanente de la qualité des données, nous avons changé notre façon de faire, notre façon de travailler avec surtout nos collègues du niveau opérationnel.
With VAN, everything is made easy. You don't have to struggle to get data. And how do we use for quantification? Just to click it will give you the stock on hand, the consumption, what have you. Then you do your assumptions. You make your quantification. So it's very easy.
Dès qu'il y a une rupture de stock anticipée, au Togo par exemple, moi je suis informé par mail et dans mon téléphone, et donc je regarde, attention, tel produit est vraiment à un niveau minimum. On est en train d'aller vers une rupture de stock. À ce moment-là, je questionne la plateforme pour voir dans quel pays on peut avoir ce produit-là en stock raisonnable. L'objectif n'est pas de dévaliser le pays qui va donner, mais c'est également de partager les produits entre les pays. Le dernier qu'on a fait a été le transfert du Niger vers le Nigeria. Vous imaginez que le Niger donne le produit au Nigeria, c'est quand même significatif.
C'est une plateforme qui fédère et les bailleurs et les fournisseurs et les responsables gaz que nous sommes au niveau de nos pays et également au niveau des autres pays de la CEDEAO.
Le VAN, c'est avant tout la visibilité.
Le VAN, c'est la sécurisation de mes approvisionnements.
I would describe the VAN in one word: efficient.
C'est du passage de l'obscurité à la lumière. C'est comme ça que je définis le VAN.
And it requires a united mission. The VAN community is united in a mission to increase access to quality family planning supplies. United in partnership, belief, and mission, the VAN's ambassadors have seen firsthand what the VAN can accomplish. A longtime advocate of reproductive health, Ambassador Cletus Adohinzin is personally committed to the VAN's mission of increasing access to contraception. He understands how important the accurate, real-time data in the VAN is to the mission.
You know, I'm in a position that allows us to talk to the Minister of Health, and I will tell them that high-quality supply data can make the difference between life and death.
Ambassador Claudette Diogo knows that she can turn to the VAN for resilience in response to emergencies.
Because of the actors that are on the VAN, there is the possibility and the real application of real-time coordinated emergency response where it is needed, thus averting any form of stockouts and any form of overstocks that could lead to expiries. Interesting enough, since the introduction of the VAN into our work and the integration with our Ghana Logistics Management Information System, it has made all this decision making very easy because everything is on the same platform, and just at a click of a button, I'm able to go ahead and then make any decision because I'm able to see data.
In Malawi, Ambassador Rose Chikumbe saw firsthand how VAN data was used to avert major stockouts after Cyclone Idai and Freddy blocked shipments of contraceptives.
Learning that shipments were severely delayed, we will have to set to work. The ministry worked with its partners to redistribute family planning commodities from facilities which were overstocked to facilities which were understocked or completely stocked out. The VAN works on the premises that you cannot manage what you cannot see. We were able to see the potentially life-saving data to avoid nationwide catastrophe.
Partnership, commitment to a united mission, and collaborative use of accurate and reliable data have led to these success stories. Supported by its champions, the VAN improves the work of supply chain players so that ultimately people like Limani can live healthy, empowered lives. One could say the true power and meaning of the van lies in its people.